Yeah, hi everybody. I'm very happy to be here with Ms. Sarah. She has traveled all the way to visit us and she's been staying with us for quite a few procedures. And we thought we will launch our products with her because she's being a very good client and she's been with us for a very long time. And she's here, thank you. And we have unveiled our product and we have got something different in the market, like, which is not there. Like especially the sanitizers, we have a completely herbal one. And it is also very user friendly and eco friendly, and we have SPF which is of clear gel, so that the patients or the clients can use the makeup immediately after this. So this is our USP of these two products, and as well we have come with the immuno boosters, which is very important at this point of time during COVID situations where we need to rake up our immunity to fight this pandemic. So we have got a combination of one so that everybody can afford. It can be assorted or it could be combined as a kit. So the assorted ones comes with astaxanthin, glutathione and vitamin C. So astaxanthin is one of the natural antioxidants, and it is the king of natural antioxidants, and we have imported this from USA. So this is going to help to boost your immune system 360 degree, and it's going to have a burst of energy because of this astaxanthin, which is consumed on daily one pill for a duration of 90 days, that is 3 months. Along with that glutathione as well, we know all about glutathione. It's for skin lightening as well as it's for anti-aging. So we're going to combine this with the natural astaxanthin, and we are going to give you vitamin C of 1 gram, which is the advised dose for the oral sunscreen, and as well as to improve your skin quality and defend you from with the immune systems. Like we are going to add with vitamin D substitutes, zinc and curcumin, that's the turmeric. So when all this taken together for a period of 30 days in a month, and then continue it for another couple of months, so that is totally 90 days course, is going to give you a complete defense and boost your immunity in these pandemic situations. I advise you all to try with us, and Sarah is there with us, and she's going to try, and she will give us a review after a month and how she's going to feel with that. Thank you, everybody.